Hey guys, welcome back. This is your Dallas real estate agent Jaran, and I want to welcome you guys to my channel, Moving to Dallas, Texas. And we're back with another home tour edition. I want to show you guys this masterpiece that's right behind me. This masterpiece has 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, and it boasts just over 3,200 square feet, which is perfect for a mid-sized family. It's a 3-car garage, and it has a J-swing driveway, which is one of my favorites. Let's go take a look. I want you guys to leave your feedback. Give me a thumbs up. Please like, share, and subscribe. And again, if you guys are making the move to Dallas, Texas, if you guys currently reside in Texas and have any real estate needs, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We will take care of you. Let's go in and take a look.